Hi guys, Tuesday 10th of March, just coming up, or just going past 11 o'clock in the morning UK time. Obviously, going to have a quick look over the situation as stocks have pushed higher and the S&P just briefly touching limit up, 5% up for the day before the New York Open. So it can't go higher than that until the cash open in the States. However, it can come lower, and that's exactly what it's doing from that resistance level. So 28.79 is the highest we can get before that open. So we're just coming off a tiny bit. That in turn is giving the yen a bit of lift from its low as well, and also a gap fill there. So it'll be interesting to see what happens come 2:30. But a decent push helped from Trump's speech yesterday evening, UK time, on the promise of stimulus, and this has helped push us higher in a bit of a reversal from yesterday, which was just insane move following the weekend gap down and then limit down and then 7% limit down, finishing over 8% down for the S&P, 5% up today. The roller coaster continues. A couple of really big levels to be aware of, most notably just above here, 2,900 as well. Also having a look at oil, which has recovered since early morning yesterday. I would just say for this move to really get a push higher, we need to get above that high that we had yesterday, around 34.89. If that happens, the longer term charts will become a lot more useful in picking potential resistance levels or profit targets, going back here to 2016 around 37.50 and also 39s around levels also seen the same year, 2016, before getting back to $40 potentially, which would be obviously an insane move. But being 31% lower yesterday at its lows, we have recovered a fair whack. That actually on the percentage move is actually a 23% push from yesterday's lows, which also sounds completely insane. Another market worth keeping an eye on is the euro, against the dollar here. The move from 2018 highs to the low, we're at the 38.2 Fibonacci level, which technical analysts will be looking at. It's also a resistance point from June last year. At the moment, relatively near the low of the day. However, just finding a bit of intraday support on Monday's low where we gapped higher. I think for this move to really materialise, we need to close the day below here as well. At the moment, fine, holding up at a resistance point quite firmly, but I know euro bears or dollar bulls will want to see us back below that picture. Going to be an interesting afternoon, of course, just keeping an eye on what happens after 2:30 when we could officially move higher if we wanted to, but also remember that CME website if we were to push on, where is 7% going to be, because of course that would be another 15, well that would be a 15-minute pause for prices going higher as well. Hope you'll have a good trading day. Catch you later on, and any questions please do let me know.